Hello, today I will show you how to generate password in Python. So we will import random. After we will import a string and we can generate password which length it will be, for example, 8 or I don't know, 8. We will make 8. Okay. The character, it will be string. I see letters, and plus we can make this password with digits, and we can use punctuation as well as punctuation, but I wouldn't use. I will use only letters and numbers. After password, it will be random. It means we will write this function for this, for e in range length, random choose character, and we will return this password. For e in range. Okay, in range it must be at least 8 length. Return password. And we will see the generate password. It will be, as an example, now I write it, generated password. It will be what we will see in our screen. It will be generated password, and password is and password is, you can see it, which password we will create. I hope this tutorial it was helpful for you, and you will try to make, for example, 12 length of 12 sign letters or digit, or you can put it together with punctuations, or can try to make which you like. So you can watch my video until the end, and we will see us in another video, and we can make with, you can generate this password, for example, with Java language, I don't know. So thanks for watching, and see you next tutorial. Bye.